Hello guys, this is Muhammad Rafiq with you. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to fix a Roblox error code 403, which is authentication failed and error was encountered during authentication. Please try again. So let me show you how to fix this error. Method 1, clear the Roblox cache folder. For that, just click on start menu and search for run, and you can see run, just click on it, and here just type app data, click OK. It will open app data folder. There you can see local folder, just click and open, and just go down. There you can see Roblox folder, select and delete. Now the Roblox cache deleted from your computer. After that, try to play some of the games on Roblox and it will be okay. Method 2, clear the cache from your computer. For that, just click on start menu and search for run and click on run, and here type temp and click OK, and select all and delete. Maybe some of this not delete, so just skip, because it is opened somewhere, so that's the reason it's not deleting. That's okay. Okay, now it's got deleted. Just close it. After that, again click on start menu and search for run and click on run, and here you have to type percentage temp and percentage, click OK, and here you have to select all and click delete. Same way you have to just skip this, because it's opened somewhere the file. Okay, it's almost deleted. If it's not deleted, you can select some of this and delete. It's not deleting because it may be opened somewhere. Okay, leave it. After that, try to restart your system once and check some of the play some of the games on Roblox and check whether it is working or not. Method 3, uninstall and reinstall Roblox. For that, just click on start menu and search for Roblox, and right side you can see uninstall option, just click on it. It will open uninstall or change the program window. There you can find Roblox file, just click on it and click on uninstall. Just click continue and click yes. Now the Roblox is uninstalling. Roblox has been uninstalled, just click OK. Now the Roblox is uninstalled from your system. After that, just go to roblox.com/download, and there you can see download option, just click on it. Now the Roblox player launcher is downloaded. After that, just click and open for installation. Now the Roblox is installing. Okay, Roblox is successfully installed. Click OK. After that, just to open the Roblox player. Still installing. Roblox is starting. Now Roblox window is open. After that, click on login and log in with your username password and try to play some of the games on Roblox, and the issue will be resolved. That's it.